Hey guys, and welcome to our AliExpress dropshipping course. I'm here with Daniel Greenbaum, that he is going to be your mentor for the next 7 days, teaching you from A to Z how to set up your eBay account till making your first sale. Before I give the mic to Daniel, I want to let you know that Daniel is a well-known mentor in our community. He's a very successful eBay dropshipper with few profitable eBay stores, dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, and he's going to teach you everything you need to know to become a professional dropshipper as well. So Daniel, the stage is yours.
Okay, so thank you now for the introduction and welcome everyone to the course. I really do hope that you like it and you can start immediately. I want to let you know that this course is really meant for absolute beginners. So even if you come with absolutely zero knowledge, we're going to set up everything together, which means that we're going to create a new eBay account, a new PayPal account, linking between those. We're going to talk about what business policies are and how to set those up when working with Chinese suppliers. We're going to talk about how to communicate with the suppliers, how to find profitable items. We're going to talk about everything. The reason for the course is in order for you to really be able to start this dropshipping business independently. And I really think that you like it. We put a lot of efforts into it. And I want to, again, thank you, Nahar, for enabling me to help the community with you. And I wish you the best of luck, guys.
Great. So thank you, Daniel. And to enroll the course, to continue for the next lesson, just click the button under this video. I wish you all the best on luck, and Daniel going to meet you in the next lesson. Ciao.